This is the tunnel diode. So see, the energy band diagram of the PN junction diode is, this is the PN junction energy band diagram. This is P side and this is N side. This is the conduction band of the P side. This is the forbidden range of P side, and below is the valency band. Similarly, this is N side. This is the conduction band. Above this is EC. Above this conduction band, like this is above this conduction band of P side. Above this conduction band of N side. So this is the below of the, this is VEV, this is the below of the valency electron. This is the highest of the valency band energy. This is the lowest valency energy of conduction band. From there onwards, the conduction band is spreading upward, and from this is the highest means, because the below is the energy level of this. Similarly, in the case highest is energy level of P, and below is the valency energy band levels of the energy, valence electrons. And this is the forbidden band, Fermi level actually, and this is the forbidden band. So this is what is called as a p-n junction ordinary diode. But if you observe in the case of tunnel diode, what will happen? So in the tunnel diode, so this is the tunnel diode. In the tunnel diode, as the concentration increases, similarly this is more concentration, very high concentration. So see the energy band diagram and valency band diagram of P side, energy band diagram of N side, and valence electrons of P side. So these are the valence electrons in the conduction band of the N side. So in the ordinary case, the width is very high, depletion width is very, but as the concentration is more, the width is becoming, here see, the width is becoming narrow. So that means in the ordinary case, the electrons, when the voltage is applied from this negative power supply is applied to this, and the electrons are excited and jump into the P region. They are jumping into the P region. Similarly, electron holes are fall into the N region. Electrons are, by giving external power supply voltage, electrons are gets energy excited, and which has jumps to this pieces like this. But in this case, when the concentration is very high, because of reduction of the tunnel diode, depletion width of this tunnel diode, it seems to be a very thin, as in the case of a tissue paper. If you see in the tissue paper, yes, it's a tissue paper is a transparent. We can easily object to other side. Shade is observed. We can observe the shade. That's why, thus, like a tissue paper, this becoming very thin. So by giving apply voltage power from the power supply voltage, then by exciting the electrons in N region, they are not climbing, because since the depletion width, because the valence electrons of this always be in the same level of, so conduction, these are the conduction level of electrons in the N side, and they are in the same level, almost below level of the valence electrons P side. Thus they are penetrating into this, instead of jumping or climbing from this to this into the P, but instead of that, they are penetrating through into the valency band of the P junction in the form of a tunnels. They are penetrating means, since it is a small region, they are penetrating into the valency band through small tunnels. That is why it is called as a tunnel diode. This is the what p-n junction energy band diagram of tunnel diode explanation. Because of this depletion width is very narrow, they are penetrating into this. So once it's penetrating, then when the voltage is applied, it's penetrating. That's why the current is more increases to particular level. It reaches to peak current, and which shows the peak voltage. But once they are penetrating means they accumulating, they are becoming neutralizing. Once they are entering into this, neutralizing. Thus, once this portion is neutralizing, this portion is neutralizing of the holes, and this part is neutralizing due to electrons, then again the depletion width is becoming wider. Again it comes into the, slowly it comes into the wider. Thus, once it reaches to peak, again it is falling down, because of the current is falling down. It is nuclear, because of negative resistance of the core, negative resistance. What is the meaning of negative resistance? Even the power supply voltage increases, the current is decreases here. But as per the Ohm's law, if the current is increases, voltage increases, current is increases. But it's not happening in this case, because of widening of this energy depletion width, because of neutralization, the current is being reduced to particular level. This is the value voltage. Once it reaches to value voltage, once the band is becoming almost equal to the ordinary p-n junction diode. From there onwards, even the voltage increases, the current is increases exponentially. So because initially the depletion width is very narrow, by giving the voltage, it's penetrating into these electrons, and thus neutralization is been taking place. Because of that, the depletion width is becoming wider. Once it is wider, almost seems to be a ordinary diode case. So from there onwards, it's just acting as an ordinary diode. So that's why from there onwards the current is exponentially increases. So this is what the tunnel diode explanation. So it is called negative resistance coefficient. Negative resistance coefficient. This is the negative resistance coefficient. Even the voltage increases, but whose resistance is decreases because of current is decreases. So hence it can be used as a in oscillators, and its fast response devices, and also storage devices. It can be used in storage devices. These are the application of tunnel diode.